fingerprints.
Fingerprints. No two are the same, unlike outfits. But it is more unique as a dollar bill's serial number.
In many crime labs, there are 4 kinds of chemical reactions used to expose invisible fingerprints. They are cyanoacrylate, silver nitrate, iodine, and 9-hydrogen. When cyanoacrylate is heated or mixed with sodium hydroxide, it releases fumes that interact with amino acids in your fingerprints found on an object, which makes it a white print. Meaning, just because you can't see your fingerprint doesn't mean it can't be detected. Note, this criminals.
Then after exposure to cyanoacrylate, the fingerprints can then be captured on film as is or treated with a fluorescent pigment like the liquid that makes glow sticks glow. And that pigment sticks to the fingerprints. The fingerprints then glow under an ultraviolet light source. Once put into a fuming chamber, the print becomes hard and then is easily identified. Similar to cyanoacrylate is silver nitrate. CSI technicians apply silver nitrate, which is a chemical ingredient found in black and white photographic film. When it collides with the fingerprint, it creates a new compound named silver chloride that makes the fingerprint visible to the naked eye under UV light. This technique is usually used on latent fingerprints.
Go.
There are 3 different types of fingerprint patterns: loops, whorls, and arcs. Loops have a type of 60% occurrence, whorls have a type of 35% fingerprints, and arcs have a type of 5% of the population of fingerprints. Did you know koalas have them too?
Latent fingerprints are not the only variation of fingerprints. There are 3 different variants of fingerprints. There are patent prints, plastic prints, and Latent prints. Latent prints are the only prints not visible to the human eye. These prints are left on surfaces due to natural oils and sweat from the skin. They can't be seen unless something is done to make them visible. This is where some of our chemical techniques come in.
I'm your chemical technician. There are patent prints and there are plastic prints. Both of these prints are visible to the naked eye. Patent prints are usually found on the crime scenes, left in blood, black ink, as well as dirt. And plastic prints are usually found in a soft or moldable substance such as clay or wax. Both patent prints and plastic prints can often be recorded simply by taking a picture of it, but in some cases, techniques may be used to enhance their visibility.
Criminals. They have devious ways of doing business, but there are ways to find them. Did you know that your fingerprint can tell what drugs you've taken? It's true. The University of East Anglia has developed a fingerprint-based drug test that can detect drugs such as opioids. A way out of this is to burn your fingertips off, but ooh, would that be painful. In order to do your fingerprints, you would have to touch something that is 95 degrees Fahrenheit or above. Ouchie.
Another way fingerprints are found is through iodine 9-hydride. Iodine reacts with the oils found in a latent print, producing a brownish colored fingerprint, and an object that has latent fingerprint is sprayed with a solution of 9-hydride. It may take several hours for the fingerprints to show up because 9-hydride reacts very slowly with the oils in the fingerprint. This results in a purplish blue print.
Tyler, how likely are we to have the same fingerprints?
1 in 64 trillion.
That's crazy. That's bizarre. That's absurd. With those odds, I could have won the lottery 363,636 times compared to the probability that we would have the same fingers.